Welcome or welcome back to 3 Inquisitive Kids. In this video, we will be solving a problem about logarithms. Here is the problem. Log base 2, 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3, parentheses, is equal to 3 times log base 2, x plus 1. And then plus 1. Find x. I'm sure many of you have learned the basic logarithmic identities and the laws of logarithms. For example, if you have log a m plus log a n, two logs with the same base, it's the same thing as log a mn. So that is one property of logarithms that I'm sure you've learned. So how can we solve this problem? First, I see that we can turn this 3 times log base 2 x plus 1 into log base 2 x plus 1 cubed, because we can change this coefficient with the exponent, plus 1. And this plus 1 here is kind of annoying, isn't it? How can we turn it into a format that's consistent with all of the other terms? Well, we know that log a is equal to 1 always. So then, in order to make it consistent with the other terms, we can turn this 1 into plus log 2, 2. And then on the left, we still have log base 2, 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3. But now on the left, because we have two separate log terms, but they have the same base, we can combine them. So we have log base 2, and we're going to multiply what's inside the log. So 2 times x plus 1 cubed. This is what we have now. And now, because both sides have log base 2 something is equal to log base 2 something, it means these two so-called somethings inside the logs are equal. So 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 times, how are we going to simplify this x plus 1 cubed? Well, we have another equation, another formula. It's a plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So we can apply that to what we have here. In this case, we would have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 cubed. So then we can go ahead and simplify even more. 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3 is the same thing as we're going to distribute the 2. And now we can move terms and combine them. These two x cubes cancel out. We are left with 1x squared on the left. We have negative 4x on the left. And we have a plus 1 on the left. It's equal to 0. And now we have to factor this equation in order to find x. So there's multiple ways we can do this. One way we can factor this is by doing a x squared minus 4x plus 4. We added this plus 4. And then a minus 4 is equal to 0. On the left, we would have x minus 2 squared is equal to, this is negative 3. So when we move it to the right, we would get 3. So then x minus 2 is equal to positive, negative square root of 3. So then x can either be 2 plus square root of 3, or x can equal 2 minus square root of 3. And this is our answer for the problem. We found what x equals. Remember, sometimes there might be two solutions, so be sure to think about all the situations.